Hey guys, welcome back! If you're serious about making money with Amazon FBA, then today's video is going to be extremely valuable for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to show you not just what Helium 10 is, but how you can actually use it step by step to find winning products. But before we get into the tools and strategies, let me tell you something really important. Right now, you can get up to 35% off on Helium 10 using the link in my description. And the best part is, you don't even need to enter any coupon code manually. The discount is already applied automatically when you use my link. Now here's something most people don't know. This discount actually changes every single day. That means whatever discount you're getting today might not be available tomorrow. So if you're thinking about getting Helium 10, don't wait too long because you might miss the highest discount. So yeah, go check the link in the description after watching this video. You'll get the best available deal instantly. Now let's talk about Helium 10. If you're new to Amazon FBA, you might be wondering, do I really need a tool like this? Short answer, yes. Because without data, you're basically guessing. And guessing is the fastest way to lose money on Amazon. Helium 10 is like your all-in-one toolkit. Instead of juggling multiple tools for product research, keyword research, listing optimization, and tracking, everything is available in one platform. And what I personally like about Helium 10 is that it's beginner-friendly, but also powerful enough for advanced sellers. So let's break down the most important tools one by one so you understand exactly what you're getting. First, we have Black Box. This is where your product research journey starts. Think of Black Box as a product discovery engine. You can filter products based on price, monthly revenue, number of reviews, category, and more. So instead of scrolling randomly on Amazon for hours, you can literally find product ideas in minutes. Next is Cerebro. This tool is insanely powerful because it allows you to reverse engineer your competitors. You just take any product on Amazon, copy its ASIN, paste it into Cerebro, and boom. You get a full list of keywords that product is ranking for. So instead of guessing what keywords to use, you're using real data from successful products. Then we have Magnet. Magnet is your keyword research tool. You enter one keyword, and it generates hundreds or even thousands of related keywords along with search volume and competition data. This helps you understand what customers are actually searching for, which is critical for ranking your product. Now let's talk about Frankenstein and Scribbles. These tools are used for listing optimization. Frankenstein helps you clean and organize large keyword lists, removing duplicates and making everything neat. Scribbles is where you actually build your listing. It ensures you include all important keywords in your title, bullet points, and description without missing anything. Then comes Xray, and honestly, this is a must-have. It's a Chrome extension, and it works directly on Amazon. So whenever you search for any product, you can click on Xray and instantly see estimated sales, revenue, reviews, and competition data for that niche. This saves a lot of time and helps you make quick decisions. Next is Keyword Tracker. Once you launch your product, this tool helps you track your rankings over time. You can see which keywords you're improving on and where you need to optimize. There's also alerts, which notify you if someone changes your listing or hijacks it. Very important for protecting your product. Inventory. Protector helps prevent fake orders from competitors, and the Profits dashboard gives you a clear overview of your business performance. So as you can see, Helium 10 basically covers everything, from finding a product to scaling your business. Now let's get to the most important part, how to actually find a winning product using Helium 10. This is where most people struggle, but once you understand this process, everything becomes much easier. So step 1, open Black Box. Now here's exactly what you want to do. Set your price range between $15 to $50. This is a sweet spot because it allows you to have good profit margins while still being affordable for customers. Next, set a minimum monthly revenue of around $5,000 to $10,000. This ensures that you're only looking at products that are already selling well. Then set the maximum number of reviews to around 200 or even lower if possible. Why? Because fewer reviews mean less competition, which makes it easier for you to enter the market. You can also select a category, but if you're just starting out, you can keep it broad. Now click Search. you'll get a list of potential product ideas. But don't just pick the first one you see. This is where most beginners make mistakes. You need to analyze properly. Click on a product and open it on Amazon. Now use the Xray extension. When you click Xray, it will show you data for the top sellers in that niche. Here's what you're looking for. Are multiple sellers making good revenue? That's a good sign. If only one seller is dominating and others are barely making sales, that's risky. Next, check the number of reviews. If top sellers have low reviews but still high sales, that's a great opportunity. Now check their listings. Look at images, titles, bullet points. If you feel like you can create a better listing, better images, better branding, then you already have an advantage. Now take the ASIN of one of the top competitors, go to Cerebro and paste it. Now you'll see all the keywords that product is ranking for. Focus on keywords with high search volume and decent ranking positions. These are the keywords bringing traffic and sales. Now take those keywords and put them into Magnet. Magnet will expand your list and give you even more keyword ideas. Now you have two things, a product idea and a strong keyword strategy. And that's exactly how you build a winning product. No guessing, no random decisions, just data. And this is why tools like Helium 10 are so important, because they save you time, reduce risk, and increase your chances of success. So if you're serious about Amazon FBA, whether you're just starting or already selling, I highly recommend you check out Helium 10. And don't forget, use the link in my description to get up to 35% off automatically. Again, the discount changes daily, so whatever you see right now is the best available deal at this moment. Take advantage of it before it changes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build something big.